What is up, guys? Today we're gonna be unboxing the LS30s wireless headphones from LucidSound, which is so far what I heard is a good company. Hopefully it's true, and hopefully they like they actually the owners or whatever actually used to work for another company. I forgot the gaming headset, but they wanted to make something different, so they decided to make their own company and make their own headphones, which today the brand is called LucidSound, and they are called the LS30s, which universal gaming headset, wireless. Okay, wireless. Now this is for mobile devices. That's pretty cool because this is actually adjusted to mobile devices and Xbox and PlayStation 4 and also PC if you want. So this means that you can use these headphones for mostly all your needs, basically. So you don't have to spend $200 on a gaming headset and then another $200 on, I don't know, Beats by Dre or whatever, for casual wearing headphones or earphones or whatever. This does it all for you, so that's pretty good. Now we're gonna be unboxing this for you guys right here, right now. Let's get our boxing knife out. Well, you know what, that is not cool. Anyways, so this is combat ready audio. So this, our focus is, now this is, I'm reading this straight off their page. This is, our focus is delivering flawless, high quality PC and console audio that delivers total immersion into your game and audio to provide the advantage. No one will be able to sneak up behind you with LucidSound on your team. That is straight up what they said. So hopefully it's true. And it's kind of funny, after I use these headphones, like about a minute later, the first time I use these, a minute later I get killed in Battlefield by behind. So I guess it's not true. So these are it. So this is the manual, and actually it is premium packaging. I mean, I can't believe how premium it is. Now these I actually bought these for $89.99. I got them on sale, but you guys can get these for right now for $120 online on Amazon. You can go to a website, and I believe these cost a retail price of $149. So you buy one of these and you have access to, basically, this will be your daily driver for gaming and going down the street, whatever. And these doesn't have that gaming look, so that's pretty cool. It has that simple but also interesting look, which is actually pretty premium feel. Actually, I didn't think it was gonna feel premium. Now you see this, I thought it was gonna be plastic when I first saw them. I said, if those silver things on the edges, I don't know what they're called, but I guess I don't know, those silver things are plastic, I swear to you I'm gonna return them. And I was gonna return them, but after I felt the premium and then the sound, you can't believe how, oh my god, the sound are just fantastic. Now it does have a 3.5mm headphone jack, so that's pretty good. The charging thing, a USB 2.0, I believe, micro USB, sorry. Then as you can see, they can turn like that, so they're easy to wear and also very comfortable, like, because they move around like that. So like other headphones do not, but these do, so they fit like in the right angle of your ears. But anyways, I love that material on the top where it has access. But let's get into the extras. Now you take off this piece of plastic, and yes, it might not look like nothing's under it, but it is. Here we got the wireless adapter. Yes, the wireless adapter. I'm kind of disappointed on these headphones. Well, it might be, I haven't figured it out yet, but I tried everything. I tried every single thing. I read the manual, I read everything, and I did exactly what it told me to do. Exactly what it told me to do. And I cannot use the mic on wireless. I can only listen to it. Now I'm not sure if this is how they work, this is how they're supposed to work, but it's very annoying that I have to use the wire 3.5mm headphone jack on the headphone. Now this is a 3.5mm headphone jack, and the other one was actually a DT. Well, I'll go back to it. So warning: always turn on headsets before using, or plug it into it. And then this is the microphone, which actually is pretty cool because it is removable, so that's pretty cool. And then the sticker, of course, you can have some lucid sound without the sticker. I actually put it on my fridge, my mini fridge. But here, let's open this now. Oh, and actually I am using this mic right now for the voiceover, so that's pretty cool. So this is how the mic sounds basically. It does not have any wind filter, so that kind of sucks, nor pop filter. But anyways, pop filter. Well, these mics not supposed to have a pop filter, but a wind filter, that is better. But there is another version of these, I believe they're called the LS25s, that actually have a filter, a wind filter. Now, as you can see, you can plug it in, so these are removable. So when you want to play Xbox or nothing, you just or anything, you just get the microphone and plug it in, and you're good to go. You're good to go. And then this is the actually pretty cool because you can take it off and then just go on the go, you know, listen to music when you're on the go. Now here we got the wireless adapter, which is again disappointing, which you plug it into your Xbox, this one with the USB, and then the DTS, I mean the optical audio thing, that's a different connector. I think it's like a 3.5mm headphone jack that you plug it in, so it turns into optical audio to 3.5mm headphone jack. Well, actually no, it does not. Actually, it's a different kind of optical audio because it does have the red light. Anyway, let's turn them on. This is blue. Then this quality, man, I can't get over this quality. The quality of these headphones are absolutely phenomenal. I guess you can expect this from $149 headphones, but on other headphones you do not have this quality. I swear to you, if you could buy a Logitech or a Turtle Beaches, I these headphones are more higher quality. Now I believe these were designed in Germany, but I'm not sure. But yeah, overall these headphones are actually pretty good. Other than that, these are the LS30's wireless universal gaming headset, which is for PlayStation 4 and Xbox One, Xbox 360, PlayStation 3, and also all mobile devices, Android and, well, really not iPhone because they don't have a 3.5mm headphone jack. But these headphones, overall the sound quality are actually pretty good. The bass is actually extremely well. Actually, if you turn up the volume all the way, your ear actually shakes. I'm like, not the ear, but you get what I'm talking about. Well, the ear cup or whatever you want to call it, that thing actually shakes. I mean, vibrates. Like, it feels like I'm actually in a movie theater, I guess, which is actually pretty cool. And overall, watching a movie with these headphones actually pretty cool, because I actually watched a movie with these headphones and I didn't have no issues. Playing video games is absolutely phenomenal. Overall, the sound, you have to click a button, the EQ on the right cup, I believe. That's right there. You'll be able to, I would say, to change the what's it called, that thing, like the sound settings, I forget what that thing's called, but you could change it. Like, I think this is how it's set up. I think it's mobile. You click once, mobile, click another time, that is gaming, and you click another time, music or on the go, basically. So those are the three most, well, the three settings that you have. So you can pick through those. You click a 1, 2, 3, and it restarts itself to back to 1. And also the other one, the other button is off, on switch, on switch. So the cool thing about these does have a microphone, which even if you lose that microphone, you still be able to use the headphones microphone, because it does have an other microphone. But although the quality of those that microphone, a built-in microphone, isn't that good, but the secondary microphone that is for gaming, mainly for gaming, is absolutely great overall. As you can see it, I mean, as you can hear, I'm talking, I'm talking in the microphone right now, which overall experience, these headphones are absolutely phenomenal. The wires are good quality, but I wish they were made out of sort of a cloth material, like a rope material, like some headphones do, which it would have been a good experience. But it's a rubber material, which I'm not complaining, but overall they could have added that, and I bet it wouldn't cost them that much. It just feels better. But although these headphones were released in around 2016, so I'm not gonna be pissed off at that, because these are old headphones. They're about 2 years old. Well, not these ones specifically, but you know what I mean. They were designed in 2016, and they were made for 2016. Which overall these are actually pretty good. If you have a PlayStation 4, the 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 original PlayStation 4, actually you can use these with the optical audio. But if your PlayStation 4 does not have optical audio, that is unavailable for you, then you cannot use these wirelessly. Actually, the PlayStation 4 Slim does not have an optical audio, nor the PlayStation 4 Pro does not have an optical audio. That's very disappointing for PlayStation, but unfortunately, that is it. And that is it, basically. That I have to say. Overall, I give these headphones 4 out of 5. The reason why I give it 4 out of 5 is because you cannot use the microphone to use it when you are wirelessly. With the adapter, it does not work because it's optical audio, so it only goes one way out. But I thought it was gonna do it, but unfortunately it does not. I am gonna message them and see what's going on there. I thought it was gonna be completely wireless, but it turns out it's only the noise, the noise. But that is it, basically. That's basically it. I can't say nothing else about these headphones. Overall, the quality is very good. It feels very premium, and I gave it a 4 out of 5 for obvious reasons. You cannot use these. You can use these wireless, but you cannot use the mic wireless. So for example, you can use the headphones wireless, you can play a game, but you cannot talk to people because the mic will be turned off. And the only way to talk to people, you have to plug in the 3.5mm headphone jack to your controller or your PlayStation 4 controller, and that's the only way you will be able to talk to people, unfortunately. If you just want to chill, like watch a movie or something, wirelessly, it actually it works for the Xbox One and PlayStation 4. But that is basically it. A 4 out of 5, and that is it. That is, oh, and then I give it some extra points. And the thing that got me with these headphones, that really got me hooked on, was that there was 3 options you can use these headphones for, and all of them does not. You can use them all in the same, not the same time, but you can use them for different purposes. So that is gaming, which is pretty cool. Mobile, so that is Android or iPhone, and then you can also use them for, of course, PC if you like PC gaming, or just regular watching a movie, which is overall is pretty good. And actually you can use this to watch a movie or show on your regular television or whatever, as long as it has optical audio out, which most TVs do, or gaming boxes. But that's basically it. I'm done with this review. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hit that subscribe button, and that is it. Peace out. Oh, this is the thing I was talking about. This cable, to be exact. Show you real quick. This cable, right? Okay, so this is a wireless thing.
We have taken objective Charlie.
And connect it to this cable. With this cable.